I recently published a video showing you how to trade Forex using Bybit Exchange, and some of you requested that I make a video how to do this using the mobile app. So that is exactly what I want to show you in this video. So to get started, make sure you have a Bybit account. If you don't have one already, use the link in my bio in the video description to sign up for an account. And if you want to learn more, join us on Telegram. All of the links will be in the video description or in my bio. Now that you have a Bybit account, log into your Bybit account. And once you log into your Bybit account, at the middle here, you will see where it says trade, click on it. And once you click on the trade option at the top, you'll see these different options. So if you want to trade futures, perpetual contract, and all of that, we are on the futures option. If you want to trade spot, we go to the spot option. And if you want to convert from one asset to another, we go to the convert option. If you want to trade options, we go to the options right here. So you see that with Bybit, you can actually do all of this inside one app using just USDT, right? And then the trade file option is where we can trade Forex, we can trade stocks, we can trade indices, commodities, metals, and all of that, right? So when we go to the trade file option, now if you are doing this for the first time, you'll be asked to activate your account. Just follow the on-screen instruction. If you have not done KYC to level 2, your KYC verification to level 2, you'll be prompted to do that. And you can use your NIN if you're a Nigerian, you can use a bank statement for the past 3 months, and within seconds your account is verified, right? So once you activate the account, you'll be led right here. I've customized mine. That is why you're seeing white and blue candles with all of this right here. So right here, what you see, if I click here, this is where it brings us to the chart where we can see the indicators that I've added and we can start trading with it. Then if I click on this option, it brings us to the trading panel. Another way to switch between this is here on the trade option. Once you're on the trade file option, click on this trade option. It brings you to the chart. If you click on it again, it takes you to the trading panel. Now that we're on the trading panel, the first thing we want to do once our account is activated is to transfer the funds we want to use to start trading into this account. So right there, you see where it says USD, USDX, rather, is empty. Okay, it's 000. So you click on this option right here, and you want to transfer funds from your funding wallet. So if your USDT is not in your funding wallet, make sure that you have it in your funding wallet, or you can transfer from your unified trading account, and you transfer that into the trade file option. So just go ahead and put the amount right here. Let's say we want to transfer 1K or 10K. After that, go ahead and click on confirm, and your funds will automatically be transferred right here. And once your funds are here, it is very simple. If you want to buy or you want to long, you use the buy option right here. If you want to sell or you want to short, you use the sell option right here. And inside of the Bybit app, we have just trigger and market order, right? We don't have all of those buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit. It is not here. The trigger order handles everything that has to do with limit order. All you just need is specify the price. Let's say we go ahead and select the trigger option. Just specify the price, put your lot size, and you are good to go. Okay, so if I come in here, by default, it is gold that is selected. So if you want to select any pair that you want to trade, let's say you love trading GBP USD, you just come in here, right? And go ahead and type in GBP USD right here, and you will see the symbol right here. So you go ahead and select it. Let's say you love trading NAS 100. You just go here, click on it, and you just type in here NAS 100, and you'll see the pair right here. Euro USD, just go in there, click on this option to search for the ticker for Euro USD, and you will see it right here, and you can go ahead and select that. And if you come to the chart option, you can analyze and take your trades. You can check that the chart from different time frames that you see right here, and you come back here and take your trade. So another thing you can do instead of just coming here to search, for instance, I have favorite tokens right here. If you want to add any of these tokens, by default there are recommendations right here, right? So if you want to add any of these pairs to your favorite list, you can search by different categories right here. Let's say stocks, you want to trade indices, you want to trade Forex, you want to trade commodities, metals, all of this. Once you see a pair that you want to trade and you go ahead and select it, let's say I just select a random pair right here, this particular one, and I want this to be showing on my favorite list instead of always searching for it. All I just need, while we are on the chart option here, you see this option right here, this star, click on it, and this will be added to your favorite list. So whenever you come back here and you go to your favorite, you will see all of the favorite tokens you have here. Just select it, and once you select it, you can do your analysis on different time frames right here. And once you're okay, let's say we're going to sell gold, we just come back to the trading panel and we go to the sell option. Where do we want to sell gold? Let's go back. We still want to sell at let's say somewhere around there 40.30. We'll come back right here. So we select the trigger option, and we go ahead and put our limit order, which is 40.30, and we can select our lot size right here by saying 0.01 or 0.03, whatever you want to use. Now, another thing to know the lot size, the minimum or the highest lot size, the max lot size for any pair you are trading inside of the platform. If you go to the chart option here and you click on this info option, click on it, it gives you all of those details right there. So for your max leverage, your minimum max lot size, minimum lot size, you will see all of those details here, and this varies based on the pair you are trading. Some pair have 0.01 as minimum lot size, some pair have 0.1 as minimum lot size, and it goes on. So if you are looking for those information, that is where you get those information, and you can use it to now start trading. So if I click on sell, because it is a limit order, you will see all of them will be here under orders. Once it triggers, it will now switch to position. And one beautiful thing I love about this is when you have multiple trades stacked together. If you're using the app on the web, it is easier. You can just see close or yeah, and your orders are closed. But if you are stacking some trades and you want to close all of the trades at the same time, just make sure that where it says group by symbol, go ahead and click on it. And this option will allow you, once the trade is running, you'll see the option that says close by. If you click on the close by, you have the option to take partials or close 100% of your position. Once you click it, even if you have 100 trades right here, all of them will automatically be closed at once. That's the beauty about it. That's one of the things I love about the Bybit app. It is very seamless and it is very simple to use. And on top of that, I can go to the chart, I can add indicators, I can just go ahead and move this around, okay, and chart and say, okay, this is where I'm going to take a trade. This is where I'm going to, set TPs and SL. If you want to set all of that before you enter a trade, you'll see the option right there. So you click on it, you put your TP, you put your SL, and you go ahead and take your trade, and you are good to go. So that is how easy it is to trade forex, commodities, stocks, indices, metals, all inside of the Bybit app. And if I want to trade crypto, it is just one click away from here. I just come back to features, and here I'm trading already. I just transfer USDT right here. I'm trading. Now, if I want to invest in the US stocks on the spot market, I just go to the spot market right here, and I can select, just click right here, okay, and look for stocks right here. Let's say we want to invest in SpaceX. Recently, Bybit started giving about $50 or thereabout if you invest in SpaceX, okay. So just go ahead and type the sticker for SpaceX right here. You see it right here. This is the current price. I think I bought this at about 141 or thereabout. Yeah, 141. So right now it means I'm in profit, and I can go back here and see every details, right? When it drops, I bought some before it started pushing back up right there. And when you trade this, Bybit is giving. So if you want to buy this one is not leveraged. You can buy this and hold, right? When the price goes up, you go ahead. This is the tokenized version of the SpaceX IPO that recently happened, and you can buy and hold this. And when the price goes up, you go ahead and sell, and it goes on that way, right? So if you want to trade futures, you want to trade options, you can just easily switch in between these options and trade any market of your choice. That is it for this video. If you have gained value from it, smash that like button, share this with others, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow us for more videos like this, and enable notifications so that whenever we publish more videos, you'll be the first to be notified. You want to learn more, join us on Telegram. The link is in my bio or in the video description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.